is Saija Imbravorkar. Today I have discussed about the signal detection in pharmacovigilance. Signal detection in pharmacovigilance is a critical process for identifying a potential safety issue related to drugs after they have been approved for use. Then to discuss about the definition of signal. Uh, a signal in pharmacovigilance refers to information that suggests a new potentially causal relationship between a drug and the adverse event. It indicates that further investigation may be warranted. Then we discuss about the sources of data signal detection. The signal detection relies on multiple data sources, including spontaneous reporting system, then the clinical trials, literature survey, electronic health record, and the regulatory database. First one is the spontaneous reporting system, in which the voluntary report from healthcare professional and the patient about adverse drug reaction. And then the clinical trials, data from control studies that may relieve uncommon side effects. Then the electronic health record, large data set for healthcare system can provide insights into the drug safety. Then the literature review, published studies and case reports can offer additional contents on drug safety. Then the regulatory database, information from agencies like the FDA, EMA, etc. Then they discuss about the steps in signal detection. First one is the data collection, gathering data from various sources. Then the data analysis, using statistical methods to analyze the data. Then the signal identification, determining if the analysis indicates a potential safety issue. Then the signal validation, further investigation to confirm the validity of the signal, often involving expert review and additional data. Then the communication, reporting validated signals to regulatory authorities, healthcare professionals, and the public. Discuss about the methods of signal detection. Signal detection employs various statistical and analytical methods. This proportionality analysis, these methods compares the number of observed adverse events for a specific drug against the expected occurrence, often using databases like the WHO Global Individual Case Safety Reports. Then the biasing methods, this allow for continuous updating of the probability of signal as a new data becomes available, providing a more dynamic approaches. Then the machine learning and data mining, in which the advanced the algorithms can help identify patterns and the signal in large data sets. This about the challenges in signal detection. Underreporting, many adverse events are not reported, leading to incomplete data. Then the data quality, inconsistency and inaccuracy in reported data can hinder detection reports. Then the complexity of data, the vast amount of data and the variability in reporting practices makes signal detection challenging. Then the false positives and negatives. this it's the true signals from the dental association in difficult. Then the signal detection is essential for ensuring data safety post marketing. It requires a robust framework for data collection and the analysis, a clear understanding of methodologies, and the collaboration between regulatory authorities and the healthcare providers to protect the public health. Thank you.